In this video, I'll detail how to fix iPhone missed calls not showing up either on the phone app or your iPhone lock screen. So if you have a missed calls on your iPhone and you couldn't find out whether you have an active missed calls like this until you open the phone app or until you click on missed calls on your iPhone, now this video is going to walk you through how to fix this. So if at the end of this video you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to fix missed call not showing on your iPhone, all you just need to do is go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, scroll down here and click on notifications. Now under notifications, you want to go to notification styles, then scroll down to the phone app or notification style, click on it. Then once you selected it, make sure you turn on allow notifications. So if allow notifications is disabled or turned off in your home case, make sure you come here and turn this on. Then once you turn that on, you should see this pop. Now on the pop, you can customize how you want your iPhone missed calls notifications to come up, whether on lock screen, notification center, or banner. So you can just turn on the free so that when you have a missed call, it's going to appear on the lock screen. It's going to appear on the notification center here as well, and it's going to appear as banner. Now, to show notifications preview, so that you know who calls or not, just come to lock screen appearance and click on show previews. Then if you want to also show who calls you missed, just select always. Then that's all you need to do. Now when next you have an incoming call and you missed out the call, then you're going to see a missed call here. So that is basically how to fix iPhone missed calls not showing up on home screen or lock screen. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.